Through the Water Environment Fund, SEPA is able to support projects that help enhance Scotland's water environment. Garden Weir is one example where the Weir is a barrier to fish migration, and by supporting the local council and the Ayrshire Rivers Trust to develop a project, we were able to get a fish pass installed on Garden Weir that now allows migratory fish access to river habitat upstream. Upstream of Garden Weir is nearly 70 kilometres of habitat. That's habitat that has been inaccessible to a number of fish species for well over 100 years, and it's really important to SEPA that we restore access to these environments for the benefit of the ecology of the river and for the communities that live around those rivers. Salmon and sea trout are two of the species which you'd naturally find living in the Loughdon water. These are species that as adults will swim from the sea up into the Loughdon water, and it's barriers like Garden Weir that have prevented them from accessing the habitats upstream for over 100 years. Now that we've got fish pass installed at Garden Weir and installed at barriers upstream, those fish are able to swim into the Loughdon water and spawn. Working in collaboration with partners is essential to SEPA's aims to deliver improvements to the water environment across Scotland. Garden Weir is an example of a morphological pressure on our water environment, and we can no longer ignore the impact that the degraded environment is having for communities across Scotland.